What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Oh, what's happening, guys? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys. How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? Today is a great day. It's Tuesday. What you supposed to do? Oh, Taco Tuesday. There you go. I hope you all had a happy Easter. I had to work on Easter, but I did celebrate Friday and Saturday, so I hope you guys this weekend was great. Today, we're doing my Ipsy PR unboxing. I will not keep you guys long today. I know y'all got things to do, So if you guys want to see what I got in April's box, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys. So as I said in the intro, today we're doing Ipsy. This is the PR box. I took a little poll on my community tab on YouTube and asked you guys what you wanted to see. Y'all chose this one. So y'all know I got to make it do what it do. Before we go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Today I am drinking a little red wine. So we're going to take a dance break and a drink break. All right, my loves. So in here should be the Glam bag and the Glam bag plus. What Ipsy does is they just curate boxes and they want us to show you guys what your potential April's box could look like. So in this box, we have just a variety of products that they chose for me to show you guys. And yeah, hopefully my products are good and you get similar products. Now, choice was on the 2nd. And choice was not good for me. I don't know what Ipsy doing, but it was all skincare. And I just was not happy with it. No. So we'll talk about that in a later video. But let's get this box on and popping. Boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. As you guys can see, I did not open it. Let me find my box cutter. We're going to open it up. Ooh, okay, so she is kind of packed this month. Alrighty, so we're going to start off with the card right here. So the theme for the month is Force of Nature. And it says, whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural for you. And that is so true. When confidence is the first step in your routine, baby, you can't be stopped. Absolutely. And it just gives us some tips on how to share your looks and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's just dive right on in. First thing I am seeing first is this little hat right here. I forgot what these hats are called. If y'all know, please let me know in the comments. But it does say Force of Nature on it. And this is a small girl. I think they call this a bucket hat, right? Yeah. Well, babe, this is tight for Tonyanicole's head. Oh, yeah, baby. That's kind of tight, but it's a small, but yeah, we're going to roll with it. So this is the first little product here. A nice little bucket hat. I do like that. It's cute. I'm going to assume that these are like the Ipsy gifts, which are available on their app, guys. If you go to the shop area, you can see this product as well as this one. And this is an umbrella that says Ipsy. There we go. When we open it up, I'm just pull this off and show you guys really quick. It's a yellow umbrella, and it has Ipsy right there on the front with a little kiss. That is cute, with some lips, rather. That is cute. I am not going to open this up indoors. You know, I am from New Orleans, and boo, it's definitely a no-no to open this indoors, so we're not doing that. But we got an umbrella. This is really cute. You know, spring showers. So yes, I will need this. All right, now let's get on to the Glam bag. This is what the Glam bag looks like for this month. This is a cute bag. It is like a cotton bag, cloth bag. So yeah. It's reminding me of like a cactus type thing. I don't know what that looks like, y'all. But, oh, girl, we are packed on the inside. Now, at the bottom of the screen, I will put whether it's in the Glam bag or the plus. So if I miss anything, I'll have it corrected at the bottom. All right, guys. So first product is from RMS Beauty. And this is the Living Luminizer. That's what the box is looking like right there, my loves. And what is this? I'm going to say it's like a highlighter. since it says Living Luminizer. Okay, so this is what it looks like when we pull it out. It has like a frosted little glass back. And there we go. I think it's like a highlighting balm. Okay, that's what it looks like on my finger. And oh, my hands are so dry, geez. I don't know, that's what it looks like swatched out. Let me see something real quick. Let me read up about this little product. It says, for the ultimate glow, our cult hero Living Luminizer provides a luminous, dewy, light reflecting finish. Oh, okay, so it's like a highlighter, but it ain't really luminizing on my skin. Y'all see a little hint. So, okay, I'll pass this along to one of my relatives that could possibly use that. Next product is from My Skinny Mask, Australia. This is for all skin types. Apply a layer onto clean skin, avoid the eyes, and rinse after 10 minutes. That is what we're looking like. And this is a turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. All righty, let's see. It does have a little seal. I'm going to open this one so I can see what it looks like. Oh, it smells like clay or something. Okay, it is like this beautiful turmeric color. Nice golden, like yellowy type color right there. All right, so a nice little clay mask from Australia. I could dig it. I mean, I just want to know, like, is Ipsy going like to straight skincare now or what? Because we've been getting a lot of skincare products from them. Let me know in the comments if your choices was very skincare heavy, because mine was. Next up is this Tatcha, the water cream right here. I do love Tatcha's products. You know, they are pretty pricey. This is a pore perfecting Japanese wild rose. It's for normal to oily skin. And let's see. Oh, it smells good. And it just looks like this white little cream in there, guys. And you get 10 milliliters of product in there. Let me swatch a little bit on the back of my hand so I can see what it feels like. Okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like. Nice little water cream from Tatcha. And then we have from Milk, and this is the Kush mascara right there. In my bag that I'm going to be getting later on in the month, I did pick this. So we're going to open this one. I don't know why I smell it. Nice, fat, fluffy wand. Okay, makes for a nice, wispy lash. Love it, love it. I do love Milk's mascaras. Then we have from Bare Minerals, this Mineralist Lip Gloss Balm right there. This is vegan and gluten-free. We have the shade Serenity. All right, boo. Oh, look how cute it is. This little bitty tube. Let's open it. It matches with my shirt. Let's put some on. Oh, and it smells. Oh, it smells good. So I put a little bit on my hand right there. That's how it looks, a nice shiny gloss. That's the clay mask, guys. It's drying down. And the lip gloss looks like lip gloss. It just makes my lips look very shiny. And they smell really good. I love it. I'm happy for this, actually. Then we have from Mystic. This is the Hydro Serum Hair Serum. There we go, right there. And this you get 10 milliliters of product. It says an essential dose of added nutrition and finishing touch for an immaculate and visibly healthy hairstyle from morning to night. You're going to apply this to damp or dry hair. It does not have a seal, so I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. Oh, it's just like a clear little gel. Okay, like a serum. Cool. I mean, y'all know how I feel about getting hair products, but where is the makeup, boo? Whew. And last but not least, I think actually this goes in the Glam Bag Plus, if I'm not mistaken. This is from the new company. It's called The Pill. It's an all-in-one serum. It's AHA, vitamin C, and HA. There we go, right there. You get 1 fluid ounce of product in here. It says everything your skin needs in a single dose. 27 non-toxic ingredients, including glycolic acid, lactic acid, and hyaluronic acid. Tiger grass to deeply hydrate, resurface, plump, and tighten the skin. And you just need 2 pumps on your face after you clean it, and then you're going to follow with a moisturizer. And that's what we're looking like right there. So a nice vitamin C serum. Y'all know I live and die for these. All right, so that was all that came in the little bag. I'm going to quickly show you the stuff on the bottom, and then we're going to wrap this up. I'm going to take a drink first. This is the Glam bag plus his bags for the month. This one is okay. It's cool. I'm kind of feeling it, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. All right, so first thing up is from Item Beauty, and this is called Light Sauce. It's a balancing gel moisturizer for oily and combo skin. Wow. Babe, I'm oily combo, and they never send things for oily combo skin. You get 50 milliliters of product. Now, I know Item Beauty is like a sister company of Ipsy or something like that. So yeah, we've been seeing Item Beauty a lot in these boxes. Ooh, that looks cute. Look at that, y'all. So it says it's a balancing gel moisturizer for oily and combo skin. It's a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates and balances the skin with glycerin, tiger grass extract, and murmur butter, and ceramides to replenish natural moisture. It won't clog your pores or leave you feeling greasy. So alrighty, y'all, that's what we have there. It does come with this cute little pump. I will not pump this out yet. We're gonna save this, but I am excited to see a moisturizer for oily combo skin. Okay. Then we have from Cocoa Kind, and I got this last month in Ipsy, and this is a cleanser. It's an oil to milk cleanser. Prebiotic cleanser for soft and replenished skin, and it's for all skin types. That's what the box is looking like. And you do get 86 milliliters of product in here. It just comes in this nice little squeezy tube. I do love a moisturizer. I don't know how I feel about oil to milk. I haven't used a cleanser like that before. If you have, let me know in the comments what you thought about it. You're going to dampen your hands, massage this cleanser onto the skin to create a milky wash, and then rinse off with water and pat dry. Let's see what they have in here. So it's free from toxins, fillers, artificial colors, artificial fragrance, parabens, mineral oil, sulfates. Okay, cool. So it's a prebiotic cleanser. Cool. I'm happy to see that. I'm just not sure about the oil to milk cleanser. So let me know your thoughts on this. And our final product is a palette. And this is called The Balm and the Beautiful. And this is from The Balm, and it's an eyeshadow palette. And let's open her up. All right, so that's how we're looking on the outside. And when we open her up, see how you open it. All right, it doesn't have a mirror. It says size matters, so reduce your carbon footprint. Please recycle the packaging. And this is the palette right here. This is a pretty palette, nice and neutral. I don't know how people that, you know, like a real bold eye would like this. I personally like it because y'all know I use a lot of these colors. So I think that it is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm not going to swatch this one because I think I'm going to put it in a future giveaway, but I do love it. It looks like you get some shimmers and some matte shades. So I do think it's a very pretty palette. So that was my final product in this month's Ipsy. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I just think that it is a lot of skincare. Out of all of the products I received, I guess you could consider this a makeup product. So we're going to say 4 makeup products and everything else was skincare. For the most part, most of the makeup I will use. Probably 3 of the 4 I probably won't use this. The skincare products, I am excited to see this moisturizer. I'm going to try out this cleanser, the mask. Oh, and I do like the vitamin C. So these 3 I will use. The turmeric mask I'm going to try out, and the hair gel I won't use. So, I mean, I thought it was okay. It wasn't terribly bad, but it's just so skincare heavy. Like, ooh, I'm going to need to see more makeup, like in my choices, in my boxes. I do love skincare, but y'all, I want to see makeup. I am very happy for this yellow umbrella. This little hat is cute too. So yes, my loves, that was my thoughts on this Ipsy PR unboxing. I just thought it was okay. Let me know in the comments down below what your choice items look like. Were you skincare heavy? Were you makeup heavy? I did change my profile and I still kind of got a lot of skincare stuff. So y'all let me know. As far as this box here, I think it's pretty decent. I mean, it just gives me a variety of what you guys can expect. So, I mean, if you're a skincare lover, you will definitely love this month. I do like this little palette though. But yes, loves, that's all that I have. I hope you would consider subscribing to your girl. If you have not done so already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to share the love. And that's it, guys. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Everything is linked down below. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy, that is also linked down below. I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. Bye.